How to use messages.google.web. To use messages.google.web, you need to have the Messages app on your Android phone and a web browser on your computer or tablet. You also need to have a Google account and a Wi-Fi or data connection. Here are the steps to use messages.google.web. On your phone, open the Messages app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store. At the top right, tap your account menu device pairing. If you get a prompt to sign in with your Google account, select the account that you want to use with Messages and continue. On your computer or tablet, in a browser like Chrome or Safari, open messages.google.web. Sign into messages.google.web with the same Google account that you chose on your phone. On your phone, you will get a dialog in the Messages app with 3 emoji. Tap the emoji that matches the one shown on your computer or tablet screen. Your phone will vibrate when the pairing completes and you will see your messages on your computer or tablet screen. You can now send and receive SMS, MMS, and RCS messages from your computer or tablet using messages.google.web. You can also attach photos, emojis, stickers, and other files to your messages. You can also enable dark theme, mute notifications, or unpair your device from the settings menu. Now check out, 1 Messages for Web. https://